Have you considered revisiting the softball throw? Oh, geez. Oh, I can't tell if this is satire, if he's taking a jab at you, dude. Dave, have you considered revisiting the softball throw at the games? Only this time baseball into a bucket at 23 paces. Wow, all the elites are doing it. Wow. Bernie, I love you. You know what?
I don't get it.
Okay. I made a video the other day where I walked out 60 feet from a bucket and I grabbed a baseball and first throw, I hit the bucket.
Oh, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah, thank you. Just one throw, no practice, hadn't thrown. I was just letting people know, like, hey, I have crazy focus. I can throw and I can throw a grape into a piece of PVC from 100 feet. Throw. Would you ever do throwing again?
I don't think so. So the throw, I think the throw in like a one-off event or something like the Tahoe Throwdown or something like the Team Proven versus Mayhem versus HWPO that we're organizing, something like that would be fun and cool to do. But the you know why that happened? I mean, that year Greg was like, hey, I want him to throw. I want them to throw a softball as far as they can. And what he actually wanted them to do was he said, I want them to throw strong arm and I want them to throw weak arm. And I was kind of like, and that was the peak of like us getting clowned by people in the community and like outside the community.
No, they're still.
I know, but that was like, that was the peak of, not the peak, but that was like, there was momentum and there was a lot of haters and a lot of people criticizing us. And here's the thing. I knew with throwing with one arm, how poorly they were going to throw with their strong arm, much less then also asking them to do the same thing with their weak side arm. So what we ended up doing was a compromise that I didn't tell Greg. So basically I made the executive call, cool, we'll include the throw, but I didn't tell him, but we're not going to include the weak side because I just could imagine all the spoofs that would have came up from that. And I mean, that was like one of...
So everyone got to throw with one arm, whatever they wanted.
Their strong arm, yeah.
Okay.
That was like one of 3 or 4 things ever that Greg asked to put in the games.
And you would never do throwing again.
What's up, big man? What's up? Give us some pearls of wisdom.
No, I'm leaving.
He said, "Oh, see, keep it short." Thank you, Abby.
That was he listened.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Would you not do throwing because you're vindictive and resentful of the past experience, or you just don't think it's a good test for the games, for CrossFit?
I think it's a great test of athleticism, or specifically of throwing a ball. I think you'd be very athletic at other things and maybe not throw a baseball that well. But I don't think, in terms of what we're asking these guys to train for and asking them how to prepare, I don't think it's appropriate. But again, at any of these other events, not semifinals, any of these other events where we're not testing for the fittest alive, they're fine. It's cool. It's fun.